Hey, could you do me a favor and make sure that before you put any article in the content calendar for me to publish, you run it through Grammarly, okay? So you can definitely get Grammarly. We have an account as per Lemon, and there's like a Chrome extension for it as well. So, well, basically all you have to do is just, follow their guidelines, you know, instead of saying I'm going to, or you can say I will cut right, just to improve the conciseness, the correctness, and the clarity of your work, which I think is really important. This does not take more than 5 minutes. So please do this so that I don't have to do it. Because if I do it, then it means I have to do this for like 40 articles per week, and that's overwhelming. And it's also not good for you as a writer to submit work that has a lot of errors. So please do this until everything is sorted out. If you see a change that you don't agree with, you just delete it. Like this one, I don't agree with it. You just delete it. The purple ones are just about, the delivery. And then then you can send it to me. Then you can put it on the content calendar. So if you don't have Grammarly, please let me know and I can help you out with it. Uh, I think that's it. That's the main thing. And also, I hope everyone's running their articles through Page Optimizer Pro. Aside from that, thank you.